How to use Keplast translator software for KEBA 2000 controller. Step 1. Find the translation files. If it is KEBA 2880 controller, then we can find the translation files from the CFK directly. Open the application folder, open View, and you will find language and resourcelEC 2 files. These 2 files are the translation files. If the controller is KEBA 2980 controller, then we will need to use FileZilla, this software, to connect to KEBA controller to find the translation files.
First, prepare an Ethernet cable and connect the Ethernet cable from PC to Ethernet 0 port of the host of KEBA controller.
Open FileZilla software. Click on Site Manager. Here is the Site Manager. We need to put the correct settings here. Select SFTP for protocol. Check the KEBA controller host IP and put it here. Select key file for logon type. Click on Browser and select the key file that we sent to you. Click on Connect. Then we will connect to KEBA controller. On the right side, we can read the KEBA software files. Open Application. Open View. Here you can find the language and resourcelEC 2 files. And you can download these 2 files to your PC. For example, now I download to language test folder. Step 2. Extract the translation files. When you extract the language file, you will get so many folders. Step 3. Correct the translation. Now we open Keplast translator software. Create a new project. Type a name for the new project. Here we add the language folder, which we just extract from the language translation file. And we click on OK to open the translation files. Now we already opened the translation files. Now we try to modify one translation. For example, the LVAV test 1. Right click and you can type the word to search. Now we find the word and we can change it. When you finish the translation, click on Export. Select all languages. Click on OK. Now choose the same folder which you extract from original translation file. Click on OK to export the new translation files. Now we find the new translation folders and compress all of them to one language.rar files. Now we find the language.rar file and change the format to JAR. Step 4. Put the translation file to KEBA controller. For KEBA 2AA0 controller, we can put the file to safeguard directly and overwrite the language.jar file. For KEBA 2980 controller, we have to use FileZilla software to do it. We can drag the new file to replace it. After that, we boot the controller to check if the translation is corrected.
Now we are using the simulation software to test.
Now we can see the air valve translation is changed successfully. Step 5. Do the same procedure for resourcelEC file. That means we need to extract the resourcelEC file and we use the Keplast translator to open the folders. After that, we need to correct the translation words. When we finish, we export the files and we need to select all of the folders and compress to one IEC resourcelEC.ir file, and we change to JAR format. After that, we put the file into the controller and reboot the controller.